back. So in front of me right here is jet landing gear. You might recognize this from YouTube shorts. Some of you might. In that YouTube short, I asked if you guys wanted to see like how it worked and everything, then to leave a comment. And these two people left comments, so I'm guessing multiple of you probably want to see how this thing works, and some of you that haven't seen it work yet probably want to see this thing too in action. So it's jet landing gear. If you don't know how jet landing gear works, I'll pop up a picture on screen right now. It kind of like goes up and like twists into well, twist out or in, depending on if you're putting it up or down. But yeah, that's what it looks like, so I'll show you how this one works. This is what it looks like. So if you think about it, this just would sit on the bottom of a jet somewhat for the landing gear. So you can kind of see all the wheels here, all three. And then as you twist this, whatever this would be on the jet, then all of these would come down, tilting like that. So that's what the jet landing gear looks like that. And if you want to see the instructions for these, I'll link them up here in the corner and down in the description if you can't find the link up there. But if you want to like build one of these for yourself. But let me show you how this thing works. Right here where I was spinning it, if you look under, there's one of these spiky gears that spins this, which if you don't have one of those spiky gears, it's fine. There's lots of different ways you can do that if you want to build your own. But this axle right here will, goes up front and then spins all of these gears spinning the front, and then back here you can kind of see how this gear spins these long axle, well, these two axles back here, which then spins both of these from the outside into here. So that's how like the whole like drivetrain works. I don't know what you'd call it, but how everything gets attached. But let me show you like how these things right here work. So how these things are attached is it's one of these pieces with an axle with a little like knob at the end. So then these can twist and it can twist this way. So it does it both ways. And then that will just attach into here. It's not lined up right now. I probably need to line it up. So put it in there like that, kind of, sort of. It's not completely lined up. See how it doesn't land straight at the bottom. But then you put it against one of these gears, locked in place, and then it will go up like that. And if you wanted the front to steer, you just attach a motor, like a servo, to this gear. And then as it's up like this, you can spin this gear, which will make the front turn. So if that's something you want. But you can kind of see how that works right there. It's up like that and then goes back like that. And the front doesn't seem to line up very well compared to the back. I don't know, just a problem I discovered. But maybe there's a better way to line them up. But this is what it looks like. You kind of see them all working there. They just go up against that one gear and they all pop back out. I don't have a way of locking it in position. I was trying something like that, but it didn't really work out. Okay, so that's it for the video. Remember, there's instructions linked down in the description for these on my site. So they're completely free to use and everything. So if you want to build it, use those instructions. But as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell.